Hi guys, this is Teacher Mel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn about triangles. So as you can see here, the sum of angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So when you add this angle, for example, angle A and angle X, and then this angle, that is equal to 180 degrees. So let us try to solve the problem. Find the missing angles of these given figures. And we all know that the straight lines have 180 degrees. So to find the angle A here, so we can use the property of a straight line, which is 180 degrees minus the external angle here, which is 150 degrees, and that is equal to 30 degrees. Therefore, angle A is equal to 30 degrees here. Now, as you can see here, so triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. How can I say that this is an isosceles triangle? So as you can see, this line and this line, this means that line PR and line PQ are equal. If these two sides are equal, that means this and this angle are also equal. The base angle of an isosceles triangle are also equal. So how we define the value of x? So in here, we can say that 180 minus 30 is equal to 150 degrees. So 150 degrees is the sum of these two angles. All you have to do is 150 divided by 2. And that is 75 degrees, and that is the value of angle x. Alright, now let us try to solve more problems similar as this. So in these exercises, find the angles marked with letters. So in here, in number 1, we have to find x. Number 2, we have to find y. 3, find y. And 4, find x. For the more difficult question, it is helpful to draw a diagram. In problem number 1, in here, we all know that the sum of internal angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. All you have to do is 180 minus 70 plus 60. So 180 minus, what is 70 plus 60? That is 130 degrees. So 180 minus 130 is 50 degrees. Therefore, angle x here is 50 degrees. Let's try problem number 2. In problem number 2, so almost the same process. Remember, the internal angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. 180 minus, get the sum of these two angles, that is 45 plus 65. 180, what is the sum of 45 and 65? So 40 plus 60 is 100, plus 10 is 110. So 180 minus 110 is 70. Therefore, angle y here is 70 degrees. If you are not sure with your answer, you can add these three angles to make 180 degrees. Problem number 3. So to get the angle y here, the same process. So you have 180 minus the sum of these two angles. That's 37 plus 114. So 180 minus, what is the sum of 114? So 30 plus 110 is 140. Plus 11 is 151. And 180 minus 151 is 29, right? Therefore, angle y here is 29 degrees. Okay, next, let's try the problem number 4. Okay, so as you can see, there is no value of the other internal angles here. First, you can do, actually, there are so many ways to solve this kind of problem, but we can still follow the process that we learned today. So 180 minus 70, that is equal to get this angle, that is 110. That means this angle is 110 degrees. Okay, since you got this angle, so you can find angle x now. So 180 minus the sum of these two angles, 110 plus 40. So 180 degrees minus the sum of 110 and 40 is 150 degrees. So 180 minus 150 is 30. So therefore, angle X is 30 degrees. Now let us try the problem number 5. So 145 is the external angle. So 180 minus 145, that is equal to 35 degrees. This means that this angle is 35 degrees. But our target is to find the angle A. We get 180 minus the sum of these two angles to get the angle A. That is 35 plus 75. And that is 180 minus, what is the sum of 35 plus 75? So 70 plus 30 here is 100 plus 10 is 110. So 180 minus 110 is 70 degrees. Therefore, angle A here is 70 degrees. In problem number 6, the same. So you can subtract this one to get this. So to get this angle, you can do 180 minus 72, and that is equal to 108. So this angle is 108 degrees. Now you can find angle Y now, which is 180 minus the sum of these two angles, and that is 30 plus 108. So 180 minus, what is the sum of 30 and 108, or 108, and that is 138. And 180 minus 138 is 42. So therefore, angle Y is equal to 42 degrees. Another example for number 7. As you can see, I explained this one earlier, right? So this means that this side and this side are equal because this triangle is called an isosceles triangle. So therefore, in isosceles triangle, the two base angles are also equal. So that means if this is 40 degrees, this is also 40 degrees. Okay, remember that for isosceles triangle. Number 8. For number 8, again, here, this side and these sides are also equal, and then this side are also equal. Therefore, the base angle is this and this. So if this angle is 55 degrees, angle A is also 55 degrees. Okay? And then to get the angle B, so add these two angles and subtract from 180 degrees. So 180 minus the sum of 55 plus 55. 180 minus 55 plus 55 is 110. Therefore, angle B is 70 degrees. Therefore, this one, angle B is 70 degrees. Alright, okay, next problem. Now, in these three sides, as you can see, the three sides are equal. These sides and this side and these sides are all equal. This means that this triangle is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle that has three equal sides. All you have to do is 180 divided by 3. And in an equilateral triangle, if three sides are equal, therefore, three angles are also equal. Here, 180 divided by 3 is 60 degrees. Therefore, angle A is equal to 60 degrees. Now, in number 10, example number 10, you can see this angle, and then the angle Y, and then the angle X are all external angle, where or the sum of the external angle is equal to 360 degrees. So from the theory of straight line, the angle is equal to 180 degrees minus 122 is equal to 58 degrees. So therefore, this angle is equal to 58 degrees. But since these sides and these sides are equal, therefore, this triangle is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, the base angle are equal. So therefore, this angle is also 58 degrees. So this is 58, therefore, this is also 122 degrees. So to get angle Y, you have to find first this angle. 58 plus 58. So 180 minus the sum of 58 and 58. So 180 minus 58 plus 58 is 50 plus 50 is 100. 8 plus 8 is 16. So 116. So So 180 minus 116 is equal to 64 degrees. So therefore, this angle, the internal angle here is 64 degrees. To get the angle y, so 180 minus 64, that is equal to 116 degrees. Okay, so angle y is 116 degrees. Hope you understand that one. Another one, problem number 11. So again, this side, I'm going to highlight it. This side and this side are also equal. So therefore, this triangle is an isosceles triangle. And the base angle are also equal. So if this is 90, this angle is also 90 degrees. Remember, because this is a straight line where the sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degrees. So to get this angle and then this angle, because they're the same, 180 minus 90 equals 90 degrees. And 90 divided by 2 is equal to 45 degrees. So therefore, this angle is 45 degrees and this angle is also 45 degrees. So now you can get the angle A now, which is 180 minus 45, and that is equal to 135 degrees. So angle A is 135 degrees. For the last question, again, here this side and this side is equal, and this triangle is an isosceles triangle. So this means this angle, and this angle are the same. So in here, so remember, the circle has 360 degrees. All you have to do is 360 minus the sum of these two angles. That is 140 plus 100. It's 360 minus 140 plus 100 is 240. And then 360 minus 240 is 120 degrees. So therefore, this angle 120 degrees. So to get angle E, so 180 minus 120, that is equal to 60 degrees, and 60 degrees divided by 2, because this angle and this angle are equal, so that is 30 degrees. Therefore, angle E is equal to 30 degrees. Alright, so that's all for today about the triangle, finding the missing angle in the triangle. Okay, so hope you learned from this lesson, and then till next time, bye bye.